What's up guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to be taking a quick look at the Orico, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right, O-R-I-C-O. This is a 4-port USB hub, and this is USB 3.0, and it is aluminum, so it's going to match all you Apple heads out there that have iMacs, Macbook Pros, all that kind of stuff. It's going to match that look, of that brushed aluminum look. And again, this is Orico USB 3.0 4-port hub. If you can look at the box, you know, not a lot to the box. You know, just some part numbers, stuff like that. In fact, it's kind of come a little bit ripped up. So we'll go ahead and just unbox this and take a look at the gadget inside, and hopefully everything's good. Looks like it got pretty mishandled in shipment, but I believe this came from China, so we'll go ahead and open this up and see how this looks and what you get. And here is the actual hub itself, as you can see. Real nice brushed aluminum look. It's got 4 ports. Now, what makes this great, especially for like iMac owners, is you can put this down on your iMac at the base and have your USB ports all really accessible instead of trying to fumble around with them on the back or underneath. And so this will really make those USB ports accessible for, and I plan on using this on my iMac actually. This is going to look perfect, it's going to match, and it's going to make it really easy. So then you got some company branding, easy your PC, a little power light here. Then on the side you got USB 3.0 in, which you can actually use to power this device. It's got some really nice rubber feet, so it is not going to go anywhere once you do mount it on the desk. So we'll see what else we've got in the box. Toss that aside. We have the actual USB cable. You can see it's double USB. Got an instruction manual and a little feedback card. So that is all that is in the box. So this is going to be the way you're going to set this up. We're going to open up this USB cable here. Pretty self-explanatory. It is going to take one of your USB ports on your computer, and you know, like I said, you don't have to put this on an iMac. You can put it on any computer that supports 3.0. Obviously, it is backwards compatible with 2.0, but I would definitely use it in a 3.0. So you're just going to put this in and then plug this into this other end into a USB port on your computer, and that's going to power this, and it's going to give you really good access to some additional USB ports. And that's really it. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here, guys, and I'll do a little quick demo of where I place this and how I'm going to use it and plug it in and everything. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back, and what we're going to do is we're going to take and put this Orico 4-port USB charger to the test. Currently right now what we're doing is I have an Intel SSD 128 gig drive. I'm just hooked up directly to the USB port on this MacBook Air, and we're doing some I/O testing, and you can see right now we're getting about 161 megabits per second write, and we're getting about 247 or so read. So now what we're going to do is take this and unplug it, and then we're going to plug it into the Orico 4-port USB, and this is 3.0. So we're going to see if we're going to lose any speeds with this in the middle. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to pause the video, and we're going to get this rehooked up, and we'll be right back, and we're going to rerun the speed test here and see what we're going to get, and see if this slows it down at all, or if this is truly a good 3.0 in the middle USB hub that we want to actually use. Alright guys, pause the video, we'll be right back. Alright guys, so what we've done here is we've actually swapped this out, and we've got the USB port now in the middle of the SSD drive. So we go 4-port USB straight into the MacBook Air's USB port, and then we plug in the solid state drive to the 4-port hub. And now we're doing a exact same test And wow, talk about a huge slowdown. We're only getting 39 megabytes per second write and about 39 megabytes per second read. And this is USB 3.0. So that's kind of an indicator that this is really going to slow you down. You don't want to put this in the middle and attach detachable storage, external storage drives to this and use it like this. That's the thing you got to watch for on some of these ports, is they're just not quality stuff that's going to act like a good middleman and actually pass this through very quickly. So we're using the exact same USB 3.0 configurations. We're just going through this, and this is really slowing it down. Like I said, we're at 39 and 39. So that's something to be leery of, guys, and that's why I wanted to do this demo. Otherwise, this is going to work for you for everything that you want. If you want to just power some devices, I would not recommend it to have storage attached to it. USB drives, thumb drives, any of that kind of stuff, stay away from with this this hub. And I don't think they're all like that. It's just something you got to test when you're setting this kind of thing up. Now, like I said, I'm going to use this on my iMac, and obviously now I'm not going to use this with storage in the equation, because it's just really going to slow me down for anything I really want to do. That's a huge slowdown. I mean, we're dropped over 100 megabits per second and over 200 on the reads. So that's just not good stuff, man. So anyway, so I wouldn't recommend this if you're going to use it for storage, but anything else, if you're just looking to power something, then it's going to do the trick. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscription to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.